Saturday, working a little bit with tuna today. We pretty much working a menu with 3 courses. So that's the first course, is a tuna tartare with infused sesame ginger sauce. So we're gonna start with the tuna, right? So pretty much we're gonna put the whole tuna in the bowl, right? Then we're gonna put a little bit of we have chopped green onions here. We have the ginger already chopped too. Ooh, smells so good. Then we're gonna put a little bit of garlic that is minced already. Fresh garlic is really important. It's like around 1 tablespoon. And then here we have a combination of pretty much rice vinegar, soy sauce, sesame oil, and a little bit of lime juice, okay? So we're gonna put everything together. Look, the honey coming down too. Can help with a spoon. And by the way, I'm doing this because my friend in California, Daniel, asked me to do it, because I usually just show the ingredients and show everything prep. Now we're coming with a mix of bell peppers, that is the yellow ones and the red ones already chopped as well. Red onions. You guys know what is this, right? Those are leeks. Really good flavor on it. Have a little bit of cilantro chopped right here too. We're gonna put around 2 to 3 ounces of lime juice, depends on how much acidity you want. Can put a pinch of I have mixed already here some salt and pepper. And then you're gonna mix all that stuff together so you can give all the flavor to the tuna. By the way, it's a really healthy dish, really nice, good to eat any time of the day. But you have to eat like in the same day, because the sauce marinates too much the tuna, so you don't want that overtaste, right? So everything now is mixed here. Look how beautiful it is, how much color we have. And again, you can play around with ingredients that you have at home or fresh ingredients that you see in the market and just adapt to your palate, right? So presentation now, right? Something that he was asking me as well. So pretty simple. You're gonna do a bed of avocado. I already chopped it. So pretty much just a little bed that we do here with the avocado. Put them all together here. And then we're gonna put this on top. And we're getting ready for our tuna tartare. It smells so good. And again, this is my today's variation. You can do it in a different ways too. Okay, you want a little bit of that juice here. You can do something extra as well. Just pretty much clean all over around before you take it out. But you want that juice, right? Just taking the excess out. You can decorate with tomatoes. Around, you can play with different stuff here. right? Boom. Put that charm right there. And then we're gonna have a little bit of toasted sesame seeds that I already did in the morning. And that's it. You ready to go? Buon provecho.